Hello, thank you for joining me on this video. I am so excited you're here as always. As we get into this, I really wanted to bring you information about the insurance world, specifically to homeowners insurance and what it's going to mean for both buyers and sellers moving forward over the next few years. We've all heard in the news, insurance companies pulling out of different states, and well, no, they haven't actually pulled out. Let's just clarify that myth. They've actually just stopped writing new policies in those states. So people they already had covered and insured are still having their insurance, are not having to find new stuff. They're just simply not writing new policies, right? So that's a big difference. So let's clear the air on that one. Next up, in Minnesota, we have seen quite a bit of loss in the insurance industry as well, right? And there's always this lag time between when claims are filed versus when an insurance company actually understands how much money they've had to pay out for an event that's happened. And recently, I believe the number was somewhere between 20 and 35% off. Not a great way to run a business. So what's that going to mean? Everything is changing. They're working on rewriting the insurance policy rules and legislation, and they're working on changing their underwriting guidelines, in the offices themselves and not the insurance companies. It means that buyers and sellers really have to be prepared going forward when you go to sell and buy a house, right? And so I wanted to bring this to you. Let's get into it. Buyers, let's start there first for you all. The first thing you should have is a conversation with your insurance agent to discuss options after starting your home search. They also want you to review your home and auto loss history with an agent, right? With the agent that you have. Make sure you review that, because what you have in your auto policy will also affect your homeowner's insurance policy. Most people, I would say, have, I'm not gonna put out a percentage, right? But most people have both covered under the same company. As a buyer, look for homes with these characteristics: roofs less than 10 years, furnace less than 20 years. Ask for loss history of home, unrepaired damage, or zero paid claims. They're going to want you to bundle home and auto with the same carrier. As soon as they ID a home, start to get your quotes. Expect $2,500 to $3,000 minimum premium on just about any home. Okay, so sellers, this is important for you, so now listen up. If a roof is over 20 years old, consider replacing it. And if it's less than 20 years, please, I plead with you, make sure you have the permit, when it was put on, or a receipt, or something. Gather all documents related to prove replacement of the following: roof, furnace, and all insurance-related claim repairs. Doesn't matter what it was, anything you claimed insurance on. And repairing items that are related to a claim that were not covered by the insurance carrier. Guys, there's so much more material to go into here, and I'm not going to do it right now because I want to let you get back to your day. And at the same time, I want you to send in to me any information you want to know about real estate, home ownership, the buying process, selling, investing. There's lots of things to cover. I've been doing this for 24 years, since 2000, and I am just very passionate about it. And I just needed to finally start sharing this information with you so that you are aware of what's going to be affecting you going forward. As you know, I'm Rob Gintner, the Rob Gintner Homes team, and I am always here for you.